Hello, my name is Michaela Long, and this is my digital mapping presentation. So, first of all, we're going to start with my first slide. I decided to choose Lab 5. So, on the right side here, you'll see the learning objectives. So, I'm just going to read those out loud. So, they were to differentiate between different kinds of projection families and understand quantitative models and recognize the limitations. So, as you can see here, we have a cylindrical model, a conic model, and a plane model. Now, each of these are different in their own ways because of the fact that they are projections from certain shapes. So a cylindrical is a cylinder, conic is a cone, and a plane is a plane. So each of these has its limitations and benefits. So I'm going to talk about the cylindrical. So the cylindrical here, you see that in the equator, you have the most accurate representation of measurement. And as you go north, further north, or further south, these circles represent the fact that it's not as accurate. So, if you're trying to map something that's near the equator, the cylindrical map projection is the great use of your time. But if you're trying to map up here, it's not. So that's a limitation of this map. So we actually talked about this in lecture. As you can see, Greenland here is literally the size of Africa, which is not true on any scale. And as you can see, conic, it's up here is most accurate, and then as you go further south here, less accurate. And then the plane is more accurate here, and then it keeps getting less accurate. But really, this one is, in my opinion, a little hard to read anyway. So now I'm going to move on to my links here. So one of them was this YouTube video. Oops, don't want to do that. So this YouTube video we did watch in lecture. I'm going to get rid of that sound. Unfortunately, there is an ad, so I'm going to hope this goes a little quickly. But basically, what this video showed was this guy has a globe, as you can see here. And in the video, he is trying to flatten it out so that you can see, as he's saying here, to make it like an accurate map flat, which is impossible. Sorry, flat earthers, you are wrong. And he literally cannot take it and make it like an accurate map flat, which is why we use projections. And then in my other link here, this link is talking about basically how projections have shaped. Oh no, why is it not working? Oh, because the YouTube link is still in here. Sorry. There we go. So it shapes our perceptions of the world. It started to talk in the beginning about mental maps and their common elements. And then later on we talk about the dilemma of map projection. So obviously each map has its own limitations. And if you just scroll down, here you have some examples and their limitations and some references. So that's my presentation. Thanks for, ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. Thanks for watching. My quick view would not want to work, so I had to use screen flick, but that should be good. All right, bye.